So let me show you a little bit how to set up text macros within Athena. What are macros? Macros are these things you hit kind of a dot in something else and you write them out. They are found right here. You click text macros and it brings you here. You can see I have 31 pages of these. What I'll do is at the end of the video, I'll put a little link. If you want these, I can email them to you. They'll be given to you if you you click the link underneath this video. But what would be a lot easier is that if you do decide to use Athena, just give them my name, Dr. Pelto, or send me an email and I'll send them an email and then they'll just give you access. You don't have to retype all these in. They can kind of copy and paste all these macros. You can see I have them on first post-op, ABI, things like that. Achilles bulbous changes, Achilles on quinolones, biopsies, bunion and hammer toe information, bunion information, comprehensive diabetic foot exam. These are all, I just kind of give them names, and you can actually make these during your patient interaction. And you can also make them, and when you make them, you can add these little information squares. So let me just show you one here on Aquinas, for example. If you hit this, it has Aquinas, it has the names. And then if you put in these brackets with these lines in between, okay, of what type of Aquinas gastroxoleal or gastroxoleal, and these underlines, what happens is when you do that for Aquinas, let me get back there. It shows it like this. So it has this little box that you can choose. And then this little click here, when I do this, when I do the note, I click it and it will, I just fill in the information. I do it kind of as a area to fill in. So we have all these little templates. Once again, if you're interested in these, this just makes it a lot easier. So when you're doing the actual note, what you do for the note, let me just show you on a different web browser here. You just hit dot something, you click dot foot, and it'll pull in everything that starts like that. Okay? So if you're interested in that, just let me know, and we will hook you up for it. Okay, bye.